Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. Want to give you an update here on CLOV, or Clover Health Investments Corp. I found an article here on MarketBeat, and it says Clover Health Investments Corp given an average recommendation of hold by brokerages. It says shares of Clover Health Investments Corp have earned a consensus rating of hold from the 7 analysts that are currently covering the stock, MarketBeat Ratings reports. 4 analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 2 have issued a hold rating, and 1 has given a buy rating to the company. The average 12-month price target among analysts that have issued ratings on the stock in the last year is $9.17. Several equity analysts have recently issued reports on the stock. JP Morgan Chase & Co. downgraded shares of Clover Health Investments from a neutral to underweight rating and set a $9 price objective on the stock. In a report on Monday, July 12th, Cohen started coverage on Clover Health Investments in a research report on Thursday, September 9th. They issued an underperform rating and a $7 price objective on the stock. Bank of America lowered Clover Health Investments from a neutral rating to an underperform rating and set a $10 target price on the stock in a research report on Thursday, June 10th. Finally, Citigroup started coverage on Clover Health Investments in a research report on Thursday, September 2nd. They set a neutral rating and a $10 target price on the stock. CLOV stock opened at $7.95 on Monday. The company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.06, a quick ratio of 3.66, and a current ratio of 3.66. The business has a 50-day moving average price of $8.48 and a 200-day moving average price of $9.11. Clover Health Investments has a 1-year low of $6.31 and a 1-year high of $28.85. A number of institutional investors and hedge funds have recently added or reduced their stakes in Clover. Morgan Stanley boosted its stake in shares of Clover Health Investments by 606% in the second quarter. Morgan Stanley now owns 821,885 shares of the company's stock valued at $10.9 million after buying an additional 705,532 shares in the last quarter. Invesco Ltd. acquired a new position in shares of Clover Health Investments in the second quarter worth $141,000. Adam Investors LP acquired a new position in Clover Health Investments in the second quarter valued at $2.783 million. Finally, UBS Asset Management Americas Inc. acquired a new position in Clover Health Investments in the second quarter valued at $1.1 million. 33.61% of the stock is currently owned by institutional investors. Let's take a look at the price action here on CLOV, or Clover Health. Down over 4% on the day. No surprise here. The markets are dumping pretty much in general, and Clover is definitely following what the markets are doing today. You can see, though, on the daily chart here that the price is approaching a very important $8 level here. Back in late August, you can see that sellers were able to drive this thing below this $8 mark, but not for long. The buyers stepped in right away, started to rally this price back up, and they got it above the 21-day exponential moving average. So right now, it's a very important price point here. If they can keep the price above this $8 level here, I think this thing is probably going to make another run up and get above the 21-day exponential moving average. If the buyers can drive this thing below, keep it below, and close this price below this long-term support level here, then we could see cheaper prices ahead. Zooming out here on the daily chart, you can see that it went down and touched around the 650 level. This was way back in May when we had a fat market sell-off. So I believe this $8 level that the price is hovering around right now is very key for Clover. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on Clover Health Investments. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.